H2O Wireless supports Wi-Fi calling, also known as Voice over Wi-Fi or VoWiFi, Wi-Fi, as of 2025. This feature lets you make and receive calls and texts over a Wi-Fi network, handy when cellular signal is weak or non-existent. Basically, it uses your internet connection as a carrier. Wi-Fi calling isn't available on every device or plan. It's device-specific and requires compatible plans starting around $15 per month. Most Android devices and select iPhones are compatible, but older devices may have limitations. It relies on the underlying network, which is now AT&T after their transition in 2024 for improved coverage. For security, H2O has implemented end-to-end encryption for Wi-Fi calls in response to previous data breaches. To use Wi-Fi calling on H2O Wireless, you'll need a compatible device running Android 6.0 or higher, or iOS 9 or higher with VoWiFi support, such as a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus or iPhone 12 Plus. You'll also need an active H2O plan with data allocation and a stable Wi-Fi connection. First, enable Wi-Fi calling in your device settings under Phone or Calls, then toggle it on and select H2O Wireless. Next, download the H2O app from Google Play or the App Store. Log into your account and follow the prompts for SIM verification. Finally, connect to a strong Wi-Fi signal and your device should register automatically. For troubleshooting, if you see a no service indicator, try restarting your device, toggling airplane mode, or checking your SIM status. For poor call quality, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or move closer to your router. If calls aren't connecting, update your device's firmware. For emergency call failures, use cellular mode and contact H2O's 24/7 chat support for personalized help.